Warning, this dub contains frightening visuals. Viewer discretion is advised.
Where are all the teachers?
Settle down, students. Settle down. We have a special treat today designed to entertain and delight. Please allow me to introduce the one, the only, Pennywise the Dancing Clown! Hiya, kiddos! When I close my eyes and I dream of you, I see your pretty faces and I taste them too. But why, oh why, how I wish to cry every time we say goodbye.